Imagine feeling stable and strong from the inside out, being able to move easily and support yourself in everyday tasks, all thanks to a powerful core. When we think of core strength, we often picture defined abs, but there's so much more to it. Core strength affects balance, posture, stability, and even the way you walk, lift, or sit. And the best part, you don't need to do endless crunches to build a strong, functional core. Today, we're diving into 7 low-impact exercises that work your core from all angles without the strain and discomfort that crunches often bring. These exercises target deep muscles in your torso, which stabilize your spine and make you feel more powerful in all kinds of movement. Let's explore these core-building moves, how to modify them for any fitness level, and a few tips to avoid strain. These exercises will help you improve strength without the usual discomfort or risk of neck strain, making them perfect for anyone looking to build a solid foundation. Why core strength matters beyond aesthetics. A strong core isn't just about looking fit. Your core muscles support nearly every movement, from standing and sitting to twisting, bending, and lifting. These muscles stabilize your spine, protect your back from injury, and help you maintain good posture. When your core is weak, other muscles try to compensate, which often leads to tension and discomfort in areas like the lower back. Strengthening your core improves balance, enhances mobility, and allows for better control in both daily activities and workouts. By building a stable core, you're investing in better body mechanics and lifelong functionality. Number 1. Plank holds. The plank is a foundational core exercise that activates multiple muscles without needing any equipment. To do a basic plank, start on your hands and knees. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, then extend your legs back so your body forms a straight line. Engage your core by drawing your belly button toward your spine and hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. For a low-impact option, drop to your knees while keeping your back straight. Planks are a fantastic alternative to crunches because they target not only the abs, but also the back, shoulders, and even glutes. Over time, you can increase the hold to build endurance and stability. Number 2. Bird dog. The bird dog exercise targets the deep core muscles along with the glutes and back, helping improve balance and coordination. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slowly extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, keeping your back as steady as possible. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position and switch sides. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps on each side. Bird dogs strengthen your core stabilizers and improve overall balance. If you're new to this move, try lifting just the arm or leg instead of both to build stability gradually. Number 3. Dead bug. The dead bug exercise is excellent for core activation without putting strain on the neck or lower back. Lie on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor while keeping your lower back pressed against the ground. Return to the starting position, then switch sides. Perform 10 to 12 reps per side. Dead bugs are highly effective for engaging your deep core muscles, and since your back is supported by the floor, they're gentle on the spine. For an easier version, lower just the arm or leg instead of both. Number 4. Glute bridge. While primarily a glute exercise, the glute bridge also activates the core and lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet hip-width apart, flat on the floor. Press through your heels to lift your hips off the ground, creating a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold at the top for a few seconds, squeezing your glutes, then lower down. Repeat for 12 to 15 reps. The glute bridge strengthens your posterior chain, which includes the lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. For added challenge, try lifting one leg at a time. This move helps stabilize your core without requiring any direct ab work. Number 5. Side plank. The side plank targets the obliques, the muscles along the sides of your abdomen, without the bending motion required by crunches. Start on your side with your elbow directly below your shoulder and your legs stacked. Lift your hips to create a straight line from head to feet, engaging your core and holding for 15 to 30 seconds. Switch sides and repeat. Side planks are effective for improving stability and building endurance in the obliques and shoulders. If holding a full side plank is too challenging, you can modify it by bending your bottom knee or holding for shorter durations. Side planks help create a strong, balanced core. Number 6. Seated Russian twist. Low impact version. Russian twists are great for core rotation, but the traditional version can strain the lower back. For a low impact version, sit on the floor with knees bent, feet flat, and lean back slightly. Clasp your hands together at your chest and gently twist your torso from side to side, keeping your core engaged. Avoid the common mistake of swinging your arms. Instead, focus on controlled movements that activate your obliques. Aim for 15 to 20 reps per side. Russian twists improve rotational strength, which is essential for movements like turning and bending, while building stability in the core. Number 7. Standing wood chop. The standing wood chop is a functional exercise that strengthens your core while improving balance and coordination. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a lightweight object like a dumbbell or even a water bottle. Begin with the object above your shoulder, then rotate your torso to bring it down across your body to the opposite hip. Return to the starting position and repeat 10 to 12 times, then switch sides. The standing wood chop works the obliques and deep core muscles and is excellent for building rotational power. To make it easier, start with a lighter weight or just use your hands until you're comfortable with the movement. Modifications for all levels. Each of these exercises can be modified to fit any fitness level. For beginners, focus on shorter holds or fewer reps and prioritize form over intensity. Intermediate and advanced exercisers can increase duration, add light weights, or progress to more challenging variations, such as lifting a leg during a plank or holding longer in side planks. The key is to perform each movement slowly and with control to maximize core engagement. Over time, as you build strength, you'll be able to increase the intensity without sacrificing form. Tips to avoid strain. Core exercises, especially ones that involve twisting or bending, require proper form to prevent strain. Always engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine, as this activates the deep core muscles that support your lower back. If you feel any discomfort in your neck or back, double-check your form or reduce the range of motion. Avoid holding your breath. Breathing steadily helps keep tension out of your neck and shoulders. Lastly, take breaks as needed to avoid fatigue, as a fatigued core is more prone to injury. How core strength impacts daily life. A strong core makes every daily activity easier and safer, from lifting heavy items to simply maintaining good posture. Core stability plays a key role. With a solid core, you'll experience fewer backaches, better balance, and increased mobility, which means you can handle physical tasks with ease. A strong core even supports proper breathing and stress reduction, making you feel more centered and resilient. Building core strength enhances your body's functionality, which helps you move confidently through all kinds of activities, sports, or simple day-to-day tasks. Final thoughts on building core strength without crunches. Crunches aren't the only path to core strength, and for many, they're not even the best choice. These 7 exercises offer an effective, low-impact way to strengthen your core without putting unnecessary strain on your neck or back. By incorporating these movements into your routine, you'll see improvements in stability, endurance, and posture. Remember, consistency is key. A few minutes each day dedicated to core work will build strength that impacts your whole body. Stick with it, and you'll feel the benefits in every movement, every day.